Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Airtable account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in airtable.com, press enter. Now after doing that, you'll be led to the official website of Airtable. You'll be able to find various options over here. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on this option, sign up for free and sign up for your account. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, click on this option, login. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. You can either continue with email or you can also sign in with single sign-on, or you can continue with Google or Apple ID. Simply click on the option that you selected while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. If you also want to do that, click on the field of email address and provide your email address over here. After doing that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your password. Simply click on the field of password and enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter your email and password, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Airtable account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.